Here's some Radical Reconstruction trivia. Subscribe. Who was president during the start of Reconstruction? Is it A, Jefferson Davis, B, Ulysses S. Grant, C, Teddy Roosevelt, or D, Abraham Lincoln? The correct answer is D, Abraham Lincoln. Which legislative body passed the 14th Amendment? Is it A, Congress, B, Bundestag, C, National Assembly, or D, House of Lords? The correct answer is A, Congress. What system replaced slavery after the Civil War? Is it A, feudalism, B, indentured servitude, C, sharecropping, or D, factory system? The correct answer is C, sharecropping. Which southern state first adopted a black codes? Is it A, Alabama, B, South Carolina, C, Georgia, or D, Mississippi? The correct answer is D, Mississippi. What act was passed in 1867 to divide the South? Is it A, Civil Rights Act, B, Compromise of 1850, C, Homestead Act, or D, Reconstruction Act? The correct answer is D, Reconstruction Act. Who was the first president impeached? Is it A, Herbert Hoover, B, Richard Nixon, C, Franklin Pierce, or D, Andrew Johnson? The correct answer is D, Andrew Johnson. Who was the second African-American senator? Is it A, Jesse Jackson, B, Kamala Harris, C, Barack Obama, or D, Hiram Revels? The correct answer is D, Hiram Revels. Which organization aimed to promote civil rights? Is it A, NAACP, B, UNESCO, C, NRA, or D, NASA? The correct answer is A, P. Which amendment abolished slavery? Is it A, 19th Amendment, B, 15th Amendment, C, 13th Amendment, or D, 18th Amendment? The correct answer is C, 13th Amendment. Who served as Secretary of War during Reconstruction? Is it A, William Howard Taft, B, Edwin Stanton, C, Ulysses S. Grant, or D, Jefferson Davis? The correct answer is B, Edwin Stanton. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.